Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region. It should be at the first position, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add a language here. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of languages which are available on this device. And all you have to do in order to change the language is to simply tap on it. Or basically maybe not change, but add it to this list. Because as you can see, still we've got English as a main one. So we have to switch the positions. So the Turkish in my case should be at the first position. And to do that, we have to tap on it and hold it. And as you can see, we can drag it right now. So let's put it on the first position. And then your device will ask you if you really want to change the language. So simply tap on change and wait a second. And as you can see, the language has been changed successfully and actually immediately. Let me change it to English again. Let me show it to you. And again, we've got English as a main one. And if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, all you have to do is to simply tap on this tutut icon in the right upper corner and tap on edit. And as you can see, right now we can mark the languages we want to remove. As you can see, we can't mark the language which is currently set as a default. So after marking, simply tap on delete. And here we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.